Assalamualaikum and hi. Today we will present to you about group assignment which apply mathematics calculation in furniture company, which is Ciptaan Sdn Bhd. Ciptaan Sdn Bhd was located at Bukit Batu 16090 Jelawat, Pachok, Kelantan. It was established on 14 April 2017. The type of business that this company do is furniture manufacturing. The company provides some special follow with customers' need in decoration and furniture for their houses. The company also offers the best quality for all the services and creation or designs. It is to meet different customers' requirement in furniture manufacturing. So, from this assignment, we will look about the employee's payroll, promissory notes, depreciation, and compounded.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is ATIKAH binti YUSOFF. My metric number is A20A1856. For payroll report of Ciptaan Enterprise Company, the hourly rate is different for each department. For accounting department, it's 15 ringgit. For sales department, it's 12 ringgit. For marketing department, it's 13 ringgit. For human resource department, it's 14 ringgit. And for production department, it's 16 ringgit. Their regular working hours is the same for all departments, that is 43 hours. 2 employees from production department have done overtime hours. One of them had done 4 hours of working and had been paid 96 ringgit. And one of them had done 6 hours of working and had paid 144 ringgit. 2 employees from sales department had obtained commission. One of them had obtained 125 ringgit, and one of them had obtained 500 ringgit. For piecework earning, 2 employees from marketing department had obtained 8, and both of them had obtained 120 ringgit. For gross pay, they were based on their regular pay, their overtime pay, their commission, and their piecework earning.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is ANIZA binti LIZA. My matriculation number is 820822102. Today, I will explain about 5 types of department that we already create inside the payrolls. I will begin with accounting department first. Irfan, HANIF, and Iqbal as our accountant, they earn 50 ringgit per hour. This month, they work 43 hours. So, the amount that they receive is 2,580 ringgit. The formula how to calculate the wage or straight time pay is hourly rate multiplied with number of hours. Next is sales department. AMIRUL, and FARAH as a salesperson in our company. They are 12 ringgit per hour. This month they work 43 hours, so the amount that they receive is 2,064 ringgit. But they also have a commission pay. Commission pay for AMIRUL is 125 ringgit because this month he managed to sell 5 pieces of furniture. So the commission rate is 25% for every 5 furniture that's sold. The gross earning that AMIRUL got is 2,189 ringgit. The formula how to calculate the gross earning is straight time pay plus commission pay. The commission pay for FARAH are 500 because this month she managed to sell 10 piece of furniture. So the commission rate is 50% for every 10 furniture that's sold. The gross earning that FARAH got this month is 2,564 ringgit. The next one is marketing department. ANIZA. The next one is marketing department. ANIZA and Harry is a marketing person. They earn 13 ringgit per hour. This month also they work 43 hours. So the amount which they receive is 2,236 ringgit. But they have a piecework earning. The piecework earning that they get this month is 120 ringgit because they have sold furniture for this month. So they was paid 20 ringgit for per furniture. The formula how to calculate a piecework earning is number of unit produced multiplied with rates per units. The gross earning that they get this month is 2,356 ringgit. and the next is Human Resource Department. ATIKAH and IRWAN work in Human Resource Department. They earn 40 ringgit per hour. They work 43 hours for this month. So the amount that they receive is 1,288 ringgit. The last department is production. Raju and Chenli is a production pupil. They earn 60 ringgit per hour. So this month the amount that they receive 2,752 ringgit, but they have a overtime. So the overtime that they do, the company must pay. So the overtime for Raju is RM 96 ringgit because Raju already worked for 47 hours for this month. So the formula how to calculate overtime is overtime rate multiplied with overtime hours worked. So the gross earning that Raju got this month is RM 2,848 ringgit. The formula how to get the gross earning is straight time pay plus with overtime pay. While Chenli got RM 144 ringgit because this month he already worked 49 hours. So the gross earning that Chenli got is 2,896 ringgit.
Assalamualaikum and good morning to everyone. My name is Muhammad Irfan bin NORAZAHAR. My metric number is A20A1487. Today I will present to you about the financial details of our company. So as you can see, the details in the table, we have the description, amount in RM, which is Malaysian ringgit, interest rate in percents, the time period, the interest amount, and also the future value. So next we will move to the calculation section. So for the loan from relative, as you can see, P equal RM 30,000, which is the amount, R equals 6% or 0.06, which is 10 for the interest rate, and T equal 24 months, which is the time period. So to get the interest amount, the formula is I equal PRT. So RM 30,000 times 0.06 times 24 months divided by 12, and you will get RM 3,600 for the interest rate. And then to get the future value, the formula is S equal P1 plus RT. So RM 30,000, 1 plus 0.06 times 24 divided by 12, and the total you will get RM 33,600 for the future value. Next, for the bank ABC, P equal RM 800,000, which is the amount, K equal 5.5% or 0.055, which is 10 for interest rate, and M equal 12, which is 10 for the compounded monthly, and T equal 7 years, which is the time period. So to get the I, which is the interest rate, the formula is I equal K divided by M. So 0.055 divided by 12, you will get 4.58333. For to get the N, the formula is N equal MT, which is 12 times sevens, and you will get 84 as the N. To get the S, which is the future value, the formula is S equal P 1 plus I power by N. So RM 800,000, 1 plus 4.58333 power by 84. So we have to calculate 1 plus 4.58333 powered by 84 first, and you will get 5.48324, and the total you must times with the amount, which is RM 800,000, and you will get the S, which is the future value, which and the total is RM 4,386,592. Next, to get the I, which is the interest amount, the formula is I equal S minus P. So RM 4,386,592 equal RM 800,000, and you will get the I, the interest amount, which is RM 3,586,592. So that's all for the calculation. As you can see here, this is the promissory note for loan from relative. The total is RM 30,000 for the time period by 24 months to pay order of our company, which is Ciptaan Sdn Berhad, and the value received with the interest at the rate of 6% per annum. So that's all from me.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Irfan Iqbal bin Zahari, A20B1541, and today I would like to present about question 3. Now let's take a look in question 3, which is machinery used in our company, which is Ciptaan Sdn Berhad. We bought combination machine worth 3,700 ringgit, then saw machine worth 4,100 ringgit, grinding machine worth 2,300 ringgit, and also machine worth 54,800 ringgit, straw saw machine worth 3,800 ringgit, thicknesser machine 2,200, domino jointer worth 432 ringgit, and meter saw worth 650 ringgit. Those were the machines that were used for furniture manufacturing in our company. Now we will look at depreciation schedule for 6 years that we using declining balance method as the requirements wanted. The machine that we choose is panel saw machine, which is worth at 54,800 ringgit, and the salvage value we put 300 ringgit. Starting from year 0, there is no changes that happen, and the book value at the end of the year was the same. And starting from year 1, the annual depreciation were 31,784, and the accumulated depreciation were also 31,784. The book value was stated at 23,016 ringgit. For year 2, the annual was 560 ringgit 698 cents, while the accumulated depreciation were 50,739 ringgit 98 cents. The book value was stated at 4,060 ringgit 2 cents. Year 4, the annual was 2,354 ringgit 81 cents, while the accumulated depreciation was 53,094 ringgit and 79 cents. The book value was stated at 1,705.21 cents. Year 5, the annual was 989 ringgit 2 cents, while the accumulated were 54,083 ringgit 81 cents, and the book value was 716.18 cents. Lastly, year 6, the annual was 450 ringgit 88 cents, while the accumulated were 54,499 ringgit 20 cents. The book value was 380 cents. So from this presentation and from this depreciation, we will see that the book value 380 ringgit was the same as the salvage value that was stated by us. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and very good morning. My name is Muhammad bin Hassan. My metric number is A20A1502 and I'm going to present question 3C, which is let your company receive an invoice for machinery cost dated on 1st April 2021 from supplier B with term 310 and 30 if the invoice is paid on 9th April 2021 and 15th April 2021. Find how much supplier B need to receive payment from the company. If invoice is paid on 9th April 2021, the cash discount will be 0.03 times 54,800 equals to 1,644. As for the payment, the invoice amount will be subtracted to the cash discount, which is 54,800 minus 1,644, which is equals to RM 53,156. As for the 15th April 2021, the payment will be RM 54,800. It is because as the invoice received was after the discount term, there is no discount applied. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Farah Najwa binti Tahir and my metric number is A20A17 and 15 and I will be presenting question 4. The question is based on the bank loan that your company has identified in table 1 at 6% compounded monthly is to be amortized by 12 months. For question A, to calculate the monthly payment, we use the equation of P multiply I divided by 1 minus 1 plus I and power of n. So, the value of P is 800,000 ringgit, the value of I is 0.005 and the value of n is 12. Hence, ciptaan sendirian berhad monthly payment is 68,853 ringgit and 14 cents with a compounded of 6% monthly for loan amortization by 12 months. For question B, construct the amortization schedule. The table include the time period, beginning balance, ending balance, monthly payment, total paid, principal paid, total principal paid, interest paid, and total interest paid. The beginning balance is 800,000 ringgit for the first month. To calculate ending balance, the value of the beginning balance needs to deduct with the value of principal paid. Hence, the first month ending balance is 735,146 ringgit and 86 cents and continue decreasing until the 12 months, which have the ending balance of 4 cents. Next, monthly payment is the same value for the 12 months, which is 68,853 ringgit and 14 cents. Then, total paid. To calculate total paid for the second month, the monthly payments needs to be added with total paid of the first month. Hence, the total paid for second month is 137,706 ringgit and 28 cents and continue increasing until the 12 months, which the total paid by the end of the year is 826,237 ringgit and 68 cents. Next, interest paid. To calculate interest paid, I is equal to PRT. Hence, the interest paid for the first month is 4,000 ringgit and the balance continue decreasing until the 12 months, which interest paid by the end of the year is 342 and 55 cents. Next, total interest paid. To calculate total interest paid for the second month, the interest paid for second month needs to be added with total interest paid of the first month. Hence, the total interest paid for the second month is 7,675 ringgit and 73 cents and continue increasing until the 12 months, which the total interest paid by the end of the year is 26,237 ringgit and 72 cents. Next, principal paid. To calculate principal paid, the monthly payments needs to be deducted with interest paid. Hence, the first month principal paid is 64,853 ringgit and 14 cents and continue increasing until the 12 months, which the principal paid by the end of the year is 68,510 ringgit and 59 cents. Lastly, total principal paid. The total principal paid for second month needs to be added with total principal paid of the first month. Hence, the total principal for second month is 130,030 ringgit and 55 cents and continue increasing until the 12th month, which the total principal paid by the end of the year is 799,999 ringgit and 96 cents. In conclusion, we, Ciptaan Sendirian Berhad, have completed this mathematics business calculation. We applied our knowledge we learned in the lecture in order to complete this assignment. We are able to make an effective calculation by using business mathematics formula to be implemented into this business. This assignment taught us how to calculate the employees' wage and salaries. Next, we also learned how to make a promissory note for the loan from relative and how to calculate depreciation of fixed asset in the business. Lastly, we calculate the monthly payment and construct the amortization schedule based on bank loan we received from Bank ABC, which is RM 800,000 ringgit. Thus, these reports help us to manage the business account better to avoid losses and bankruptcy and increase our knowledge of business mathematics calculation in order for us to have a successful business profit in the future.